In this video, let's look at including external libraries in your Leiningen project. So, you just have your Leiningen project. So, here there is project.clj, right? And you're using Clojure 112, right? So, or that is 112, I think. Okay, so that's how it should be pronounced. Okay, so now let's try to include a thing called hiccup. Okay, so this I'll just copy, right? And I hope this release candidate is there. Yeah, so that's the thing. And okay, anyway, to make sure, what I'll just do is okay, like one thing what you can just do is to make sure is like, okay, you have your terminal over here, right? So let me just take this off. Okay, so uh, I can just put like, okay, like lean run. Okay, so this will in fact download that library from that internet if it's not installed. Okay, so everything is okay. Yeah, this 22200 RC2 will be downloaded, right? And things will run. Okay, look, it's retrieving. I don't know whether hiccup is a very popular library used to generate HTML. So maybe it would have crossed RC2, but I'm just using it because I've just used it and I know it runs. Okay, so maybe I need to put like 200, or I don't know like what version is there right now. So okay, but if you want to find the version what it's there, okay, so you can just go to Clojars, okay, Clojars, okay, right, and you can just put like, okay, HICCUP hiccup, right. So okay, now it's RC3. That's good. Okay, so it's RC3. So this is how you'll just get what to say, how to include in Leiningen. And there is another thing called Deps EDN, which I'm not covering in this edition of my book, but future I will cover. Okay, so that's the thing, right? So yes. Okay, so anyway, this hiccup is there. Okay, RC2, RC3. Okay, like I'm okay with RC2. So now what I'll just do is, yeah, I'll just do it a bit fast. Okay, so like, okay, so over here, what I'm just doing is I'm just putting two methods over here, right? So one is print to console, right? This will just do the normal stuff that's doing over here. So it is just nothing but these stuff. Okay, so that's the thing. And I'll put another thing called print to HTML. Okay, so that's the thing. Look, even if you don't know HTML, just don't worry. Just copy and paste it. Okay, so this I'm just explaining because I want to explain what I can do with this, all these, what to say, this CLI arguments and all those stuff. Okay, so and now let me just copy this main from here and put it. Okay, so look, but when you do coding, just don't copy and put it. Better try to understand and put it. Okay, but yeah, let me just explain this. Okay, so maybe you would know this. Okay, so the sprint to console, what it does is it does the very same thing. If you just give like Uranus, lean run Uranus, okay, like it'll just put like hello Uranus, right? And what to say, like okay, yeah, fine. But this one, print to HTML, what it does is, okay, split means it'll write into a file. It'll write into a file called hello.html, right? So that's the thing. And what it'll do is, like in that, it'll put this thing called hello name in that. Okay, so and it'll be put inside a heading so that you can just see nice bold stuff. Okay, so that's the thing. So if you know HTML, you will understand what is this HTML body and H1s. If you don't know, just don't worry. Okay, so that's the thing. And another thing, what I just want to explain to you is this one, right? So yes, okay, this one I just want to explain, right? Oh, here, what we are just doing is we are taking, okay, there will be like, say, like, okay, like, let me just say this, okay, like if I get the second argument as hyphen hyphen HTML, then it will do this what to say, print to HTML. So it'll just create this hello.html and what to say, print to it, or it'll just print to console. So default is print to console, right? So that's the thing. Okay, if there is second argument is not equal to this one, it'll just print to console. So that's the thing. So let's try it out. Okay, so lean run, and let me give it as Neptune, Neptune. Okay, so this has no hyphen hyphen HTML in that, so it should print to console. So that's the thing. Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, I forgot to tell you one thing. So I included hiccup, right? So I need to include it over here, right? So yeah, I'm just typing this one. I didn't type it, or of course the AI typed it. I'm just including hiccup.core as H, okay? And this H, I'm just using it over here. So I'm sorry, I just missed it, right? So let me just try it again, right? So run Neptune. Okay, now let's put it as HTML. Pluto is not there. Okay, maybe Planet 9. Planet 9 and what to say. And I don't know whether it's a Planet 9 or black hole, right? So, and now I'll just give like HTML, right? So, okay, so I should be seeing a file called, or what to say, hello.html. So, okay, um, let me make this a little bit smaller. Yeah. So there is a file called hello.html, and yeah, I'll just reveal it in my Finder, or what to say, file navigator, and you just get like hello planet 9. So this is how it works. Okay, so like I'm just taking the second argument and what to say, finding out. But the main thing is how to add an external library. So if you know any Clojure library, add it over here in dependencies, right? And you can include it like this, like require and then what to say, hiccup.core as h or something like that. So usually in that library documentation itself, you'll have some way of what to say, finding it out, how it's all been done, and okay. So and where is this hiccup? Yeah, okay. Yeah, if you just go to hiccup over here, this is the Git repo of it. Okay, so over here it's there. So okay, this is what they're just saying. Like, okay, this is how you need to do it in Maven. I don't know what Maven is, but this is how you need to do it in Leiningen, and this is how you can require, right? But in your what to say, in your Clojure project, okay, so no need to put this what to say, single quote. You can require it without the single quote, like I've done it over here, right? So that's how it is. So you have included external library, used it, and it's not far different from using your own code in this very project. Okay, so that's how it is, and it's simple too, right? So that's the thing. So maybe if you're writing a very general purpose logic that you think what to say will benefit the world, maybe just post it on Clojars. Okay, so that's the thing. But of course, I haven't still hosted anything on Clojars. I'll do it. I tried it once, but yeah, like it didn't go well. But yeah, I'll do it once again and then include those topics in my book. Okay. So that's it. That's how you just include external libraries and use it in your Len Engine project. Thanks for watching.